Tools and Twisties, precision tools, performance cars. Let's get to it. I've been promising a little bit more car content. This is the 2020 McLaren 720S Spider track pack. Amazing car. Just got back from a 600-mile twisty trip. That's where the twisty part of Tools and Twisties come from. Love to get our cars out on twisty roads and enjoy them. You can see this one badly needs a bath after the trip. It killed a few bugs along the way. At any rate, 720 metric horsepower, which is about 710 SAE horsepower, but they're typically underrated, so it's probably making closer to 750. The track pack gives the carbon back bucket seats and a bunch of other goodies, carbon fiber rim. It is a carbon fiber rear spoiler. It is built on a carbon tub. It's a very lightweight car compared to other equivalent cars. It's about 2,900 pounds dry, maybe 3,100 pounds curb weight, which is a good 500 or 600 pounds less than most competitive cars that might be in its class. This is a Spider with a retractable hardtop, and it is a pleasure to drive. Incredibly engaging, incredibly powerful, comfortable on the longer stretches, yet completely visceral and exciting on the twisty bits. Have a few other cars as well we can talk about in future videos. But let me know whether or not you want to see more car content, more tool content, or you like a mix of both.